My name is Sylvia Billies from Trade Changes, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect our gold, micro gold futures bot to the Quantico Copy Trading platform. But first dive into the strategy we created for gold, micro gold. So you are learning more about the strategy, but also about the profits and how it works, all right? Cool, so this is a strategy we built into TradingView. And you don't need TradingView, by the way, because all your trades are automated in Quantico Copy, and will send also all the orders directly to your own broker. But I'm going to show you the strategy and how it works, because this is where it happens. This is actually the hub or the engine where the buy and selling is happening. So like you see here, okay? So it's a very, very solid strategy. And you see here we have a total P&L in May of 1.6k. Max equity drawdown $164 only, is very low. 20 trades in a month, 70% profitable trades, a profit factor 4.7 is very high. So it's not over trading, it's just 1 or 2 trades a day. Sometimes we don't have a trade a day depending on the market conditions. So maybe it's a bit of boring, but yeah, better boring and profitable than a lot of trades and losing money. So it's a solid strategy, and we are fully in control of our strategy because our team, every week we are tweaking the strategy with the settings here in our dashboard. So we have fully control of the whole strategy. So every Sunday evening we get started with tweaking to the best results and adapt it to the market conditions. And also sometimes on Wednesday we see, okay, what was the profit of the past weeks or the past 2 days. Then maybe we adjust also during the week some settings to get it more profitable. So we are fully in control, so you don't have to do anything. When you go to the list of trades, then you see the trades. So we have a stop loss and a take profit in here built in. So the max profit is around $200 and the max loss is around $100 per trade. So $100 per trade loss and $200 per trade profit. With 1 or 2 trades a day, the max loss you can have around $200 and the max profit you can have is around $400. You can do break even, but also if you have one profitable trade of $180 and one losing trade of $100, you still make money, all right? So that's why this strategy is so strong. So there is a risk management built in, but I will advise you also to take care of risk management in your trader account. We come back to that later. So you don't have to do anything with this because this is our strategy, and all the signals, buy and sell signals, all the orders will be sent with the alerts to the Quantico Copy platform. So how to get started with the bot in Quantico Copy. So first go to tradechanges.com. That's our website. And there you are able to watch the webinar. We had a webinar last weekend with Eric and me explaining the strategy and answering questions. It's not loading now, it has to take time. And once you watch the webinar, go here to the Start Quantico Copy Trading. When you're here, you can read more about the strategy, what it's doing, and click on Connect Copy Trader. Then if you are here for the first time, create an account. If you already have a Copy Trade account, then you are able to log in with your with your own credentials. Once you create an account, if you are new, then go to your dashboard. And in dashboard you will see here that Trade Changes is listed, but it shows like available signals, so you have to purchase inside the dashboard. So you have to buy the signals or purchase the signal for $100 a month. Once you purchase this, you will have access to the signal. So you have access to the signal, and before you generate a token, because we have a generated token to copy that in a Chrome extension, because the Chrome extension is in your browser, which will connect the Quantico Copy Trading to your TraderVate account. So watch the tutorials in here. It's a 4-minute video. It's very easy to install your Chrome extension. Then go to your Chrome extension in here. You see it here. Okay, so it's already there. Go back to dashboard. then click on access signal, and then check the boxes and generate a token. You have to do it every day. That's very important. Copy token. Go here to your Chrome extension and paste it here. And now it's connected. Okay. You're also able to disconnect it from here at the end of the day. And now it's connected. So you see here in your small dashboard, you have the buy, sell, and close buttons. You don't have to do anything with this because the bot is trading for you. But in some cases, maybe you want to close the trade manually. It depends on the situation. You see, for example, the profits on $150 in your account. You see a resistance level in gold, and you don't believe it will break the resistance level. It will go down in your opinion. So you're able also to close the trade manually and also take the profit from that point. Okay, so you are fully in control of everything. That's very important. So with this, you can trade with your own capital or with a prop firm. Own capital is around $1,000 minimum, but you need a Tradeovate account. But most of the people are using prop firms, which, for example, are compatible with Tradeovate. Tradeovate is a broker. So if you want to trade with prop firm capital, we will recommend Apex Trader Funding, and there somewhere here around the video is a 50% discount code too, so you get discount. Then go down to Tradeovate plan. It's very important, you need the Tradeovate plan. Pick a plan 50k or up. So 50k will do. It is around, let me see, $176 a month. With the coupon code, it's only $80 a month. And then you're able to do the challenge with our bot. And once you are going through the challenge and you reach the profit goal of 3k, then you are able to enable your funded account to real money. You can trade real money with your bot. Okay, so that's really, really cool. I will recommend to start with prop firms because it's low risk. And once you make money, for example, with prop firms, you are able to use that money to trade with also private capital. So you don't have to follow the rules of, for example, the Apex Trader Funding rules. So once you create a here account, you get an Apex Trader Funding account with all the contracts or all the subscriptions you are here. So I have a 300k account, two 300k accounts, and a 50k account. These are your login credentials for Tradeovate. So go to tradeovate.com and log in with these credentials. And then once you're logged in, you see here your accounts. So which one you have here will show up here. Be sure that you have the right contract. So this is June, MGCQ5 for June. Every month we have a contract rollover. So please learn more about contract rollover. So we also send you messages in the dashboard when it will happen, but you need to know what will happen also because you are fully responsible of your own trades. Okay. If you want to create a safety net, go here to settings, risk settings, and set your daily loss limit, for example, to $200 also, and save it. Why? Because if there is a power outage or something happens with TradingView or the bot, you never know, then you won't lose more than $200 because once it will hit the $200 in drawdown, it automatically closes your trades through Tradeovate. So please select the daily loss limit in here to create a safety net. You need to have Tradeovate open the whole day because it needs the signals from your Chrome extension to Tradeovate. So if you are not able to have your laptop open or your computer all day, then maybe it's an idea to purchase a VPS server and install Tradeovate in there so it can run 24 hours a day. Okay. That said, it's very easy to start. So just create an account in Quantico Copy, then purchase the signal, and once you are in your dashboard, then you're able to go to tutorials, how to install your Chrome extension, then go to dashboard and access signal, and there you're able to generate your token. Right, and at the end of the day, then you are able also to close or to disconnect it from Tradeovate. Here you see the trader's recent action. So once there's a buy or a selling or closing, then you see it here. If there is no trade, I will let you know also here in the trader's message dashboard if there's something Very important. I'll also send you messages in your dashboard, so please take a look every day if there is a message inside your dashboard. And that's it. Also disclaimer, trade only with money you can afford to lose. If it's your own money, you are fully responsible of your platform, your Quantico Cap or your Quantico Copy platform. You are responsible for what's happening there. And yeah, we are not responsible for any losses, and you can go to our website to see our terms and conditions. Because yeah, we are creating a strategy, it's working. We are not guaranteeing that what we show here will happen every month, but it's profitable. We are tweaking the bot, it's working. We are already here for a long time. This year, for a few months, using our bots in the Dutch traders community. So we already have it running through a lot of Dutch traders, and it's also providing a lot of profitable trades. When we go to our Discord, in here I can show you. Here's some results, and our people get funded also with our bots through Apex. So when we go to trade changes, in here, then we go to profits, it's Dutch, so here you can see people trading with our stuff, and yeah, they have also losing trades, of course, but also a lot of winning trades. It's not every day a green day, but here are the profits from the people from the past few weeks. And we have also people already paid out with Apex, like this one, like this guy. So our bots are all running, already running in the Dutch community, and we only sell our strategies through the Quantico Copy Platform, and we are also planning to create more strategies which will be available on the Quantico Copy Platform. All right. So with that said, yeah, please be careful when you trade with your own money, and yeah, we will welcome you on this platform with trade changes on Quantico. We hope you will have a good experience, and we speak soon. Bye.